Checking with meteorologist Jason Sadeko now, and Jason, there's still some strong weather to the southeast of us.
Yeah, we're still seeing a storm with damaging winds on it. I mean, we saw what it did when it made its way through the metro, and now it's making its way southeast of the metro. So still severe warned storm you can see southeast of the metro. Really pretty expansive area of those damaging winds. Zoom in on it here a little bit for you. You can see Knoxville down through Sheraton at the moment in the heart of that little area. So I'm going to go to velocities here so you can see where some of the peak winds are. And we've got some just to the south of Knoxville at this point. You can see radar is updating there, so we'll get the latest wind speed update for you. We've had some as high as 60, 65 miles an hour confirmed. And you can see radar picking up on winds nearly 80 miles per hour. So as we get a little bit further away from the radar, sometimes that increases the wind speed because that radar beam shoots up, and winds are usually a little bit stronger as you get a little bit higher. But we've got an expansive area of very strong winds, Pella all the way down to Sheridan. So I'm going to scoot this map just a little bit further for you guys and highlight a bunch of these different areas. I know we saw the one that was sitting around 78 miles per hour. North of Pella, we're coming in at 71, just south of Knoxville, around 60 miles per hour. Northeast of Sheridan, again, is kind of that sweet spot. You can see that area of pink right in there. So that's in excess of 70 mile an hour winds on radar. And you look west of there, it still might be raining a bit for you guys in Indianola, but by far the strongest of the weather is to the east at this point, and that's why I've been focusing on that area. So zoom in a little bit to the west here, continuing to see some development on the back side of this. Now we do have a boundary that's just off to the south here. We'll see what happens as the storm surges its way to the southeast and interacts with that. Sometimes you can get even more severe weather because of that. So let's go statewide here so everybody can see what they're looking at for severe weather. And you can see stronger storms out near Carroll as well. Nothing severe out there at this point. And in fact, that storm weakened a little bit. Even in the last 20 minutes or so, I'll zoom in and give you guys an idea of what's headed your way as well. So south of Carroll, you can see strong storms moving their way through. Let's get over to velocity here and show you the winds that we've got in this one. So just north of Lake Panorama at this point, kind of a localized area of strong winds there. And as far as how strong they are, probably sitting around that 55 mile an hour range at the moment. 51 miles an hour just to the northwest of Lake Panorama and Panora, and 55 miles an hour in Panora. So that storm is maintaining its strength. I know it's heading out towards an area that's already been a little bit worked over, but as this storm continues to move to the southeast, we're going to continue to see that maintain its strength because there's a whole area down here that has not been worked over. That atmosphere is juicy and it is ripe for more storm development. So did have quite a few damage reports across portions of the metro along with this storm as well. I'm going to zoom in and go over just a few of these with you guys. You can see those little bubbles. Those are the reports that I'm talking about just north of the metro. Had a slew of more reports. We'll take a look at a picture here coming up in a second of a tree down in Indianola, but north of Waukee, we had a thunderstorm damage report. You can see a pole barn lost its roof. So pretty strong stuff. The radar's been estimating winds around 78 miles an hour with this storm. And you can see that's really coming to fruition out there for us. So here's a look at that tree that was down near Whittier Elementary. You can see it's pretty thick. I mean, I'd estimate maybe 10 inches thick on that tree. So we look downtown right now, a whole different story for us. Things have cleared out quite a bit. But we do again have more storms that are brewing to the west. But look at the temperature. We're down to 69 degrees. You know, we were sitting in the upper 80s, low 90s for a bit there. Dew point has inched down just a little bit. So whole lot more comfortable out there at the moment. And we look at your day tomorrow, more chances for showers and thunderstorms. We're going to continue with that for most of the day. So if you are riding RAGBRAI, you are probably going to be bumping into some of those storms out there. But a check of that 8-day forecast, and you can see not a whole lot more chances over the next day. So if you are doing RAGBRAI, Monday through Friday is looking pretty good. Have a chance at an isolated shower or thunderstorm Saturday and then again on Sunday. But even temperatures staying cool. 80 degrees on Monday. We are in the middle 80s again by the end of next week.